Yeah. I'm asthmatic, but I used to smoke. I had to clear my mind from all of them niggas cracking jokes. See, back then I was juvenile, hanging with the wrong crowd, couldn't figure me out. And I was doing what I wanted to. If you had a problem, I'd paint your face black and blue. Felt like nobody listened to me anyway, so what's the point of speaking out? I'ma just fade away. And back when I was getting faded, I never really thought that I would be someone who made it out of depression, made it out of misery. God breathed life into me, and for that I thank thee. And now I'm on a road less traveled by, realizing that I was never really afraid to die. I'm afraid to live, or at least I was. Only thing that was on my mind was my next buzz. But now that I've cleared my mind, I realize I need to catch up before I'm out of time. And that is my biggest crime, lying to myself and not trying to get mine. But now I'm obsessing about this shit. OCD project, cause I'm stressing about this shit. But instead of being second, now I'm finished first. If practice makes perfect, then my life wasn't rehearsed. My mama taught me how to live right, but only I could teach myself how to live life.